Hi, I'm Monica Lucier.
And I'm Michelle Replogo with Compass.
Welcome to 24100 Tierra Grande Court in the Almaden Valley area of San Jose, California.
This beautiful 4-bedroom, 3-bath home has a saltwater pool, outdoor kitchen with pizza oven, gorgeous gourmet kitchen with family and dining room area together, butler's pantry, wine cabinet. We cannot wait for you to see this amazing property.